Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to guide you how to change the subnet mask in Windows 11. It is a pretty straightforward process, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So just go to the start menu here and right here control panel. Just open the control panel from here. And from here, just make sure that you are under the category view. And from here, just go to the network and internet and click on network and sharing center. And from here, you will see this hyperlink which shows your current internet connection. Just click here. And from here, just go to the properties from here and just search for the internet protocol version 4. So just go on to that. Click on the properties, and by default it is set to automatic. So if you want to allocate a manual IP, just use the following IP address, and you can mention any IP address, just 192.168.1. Let's say 32. And if you automatically want to generate the subnet mask, as we can see here, that whenever you mention any IP address, just press a tab and it will show you the default subnet mask settings. So we can allocate the preferred DNS server and all. So just confirm with your IP provider or your networking guy to confirm that how it should be set up. But this is a pretty straightforward process how you can allocate the subnet mask and where to locate it. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one.